Quercus ex Hispanica leucomiana information. Lonicera caprifolium information. Lonicera caprifolium, commonly known as Italian honeysuckle or goat-leafed honeysuckle, is a species of flowering plant in the honeysuckle family, Caprifoliaceae. Here is some information about Lonicera caprifolium. Description: Lonicera caprifolium is a deciduous climbing vine that can reach a height of 6 to 10 feet, 1.8 to 3 meters. It has twining stems with opposite, oval-shaped leaves that are dark green and slightly hairy. Flowers: the plant produces fragrant, tubular flowers that are typically creamy white or pale yellow. The flowers are arranged in pairs at the ends of branches and have a distinctively sweet scent. They bloom from late spring to early summer. Fruits: after flowering, Lonicera caprifolium produces small, round, red berries. While the berries are not typically consumed by humans, they are attractive to birds. Native range: Lonicera caprifolium is native to parts of Europe, including southern France, Italy, and the Balkans. It has also been introduced and naturalized in some other regions. Growing conditions: this honeysuckle species prefers full sun to partial shade and moist, well-drained soils. It can tolerate a range of soil types but thrives in fertile, loamy soils. It is generally hardy and can withstand cold temperatures. Uses: Lonicera caprifolium is often grown as an ornamental plant due to its attractive flowers and fragrance. The flowers are used in perfumes and potpourri. However, it is important to note that some honeysuckle species, including Lonicera caprifolium, can become invasive in certain regions, displacing native vegetation. Care and maintenance: regular pruning is recommended to control the growth and shape of Lonicera caprifolium. It can be trained to climb on trellises, fences, or other supports. Adequate watering is essential, especially during dry periods. Wildlife attraction: the flowers of Lonicera caprifolium are attractive to bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, making it a useful plant for pollinators. The berries, although not edible for humans, can be a food source for birds. When cultivating Lonicera caprifolium, it is crucial to ensure it is not confused with invasive honeysuckle species, such as Japanese honeysuckle, Lonicera japonica, which can pose ecological problems. It's always a good idea to check with local authorities or experts to determine if Lonicera caprifolium is suitable for your specific area.